In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use rehearse timings in LibreOffice Impress, if you've ever wanted your slides to advance automatically at just the right moment. Rehearse timings is the built-in tool that helps you set those exact durations as you practice. Start by opening LibreOffice Impress on your computer, then load the presentation you want to work with. It's a good idea to have your final content in place before rehearsing, so the timings you capture match what you plan to say. With your file open, head to the menu bar at the top, choose Slideshow, and select Rehearse Timings. If you prefer working in Slide Sorter view, you can use the Rehearse Timings icon on the Slide View bar instead. Either way, the slideshow will immediately switch to full screen mode. You'll see a small timer in the corner, which starts counting how long you spend on each slide. Treat this like a real run-through. Speak aloud if you can, glance at the timer as a guide, and when you're ready to move to the next slide and record the exact interval you just used, click the timer. That click tells Impress to store the duration for the current slide and move forward. If there's a slide where you don't want to set a custom interval and you'd rather keep its default timing, simply click anywhere on the slide itself instead of the timer. That way, you can mix recorded durations with default behavior as needed. Continue through your entire presentation at a natural pace. Give yourself a moment to pause on complex visuals or diagrams and let the timer reflect the real time you need. If you make a mistake or need to stop, you can exit the rehearsal and run it again later. The process is flexible, and you can refine timings as many times as you like. When you reach the end, LibreOffice will have captured the exact duration you spent on each slide. This is especially useful for kiosk-style shows, trade show loops, or when you want to talk to stay within a strict time limit. Don't forget to save your file right away to preserve these settings. Once saved, your slideshow can use those timings to advance automatically during playback, giving you a smooth, hands-free presentation that matches your practiced delivery. That's all you need to confidently rehearse and lock in slide timings in LibreOffice Impress.